Hello everyone, welcome back to Year A Mathematics. My name is Victor and welcome to Cartesian plane transformations. This is where coordinate geometry will meet some animation. We're actually going to take a shape and slide it around, flip it over using the Cartesian plane. So we want to do, look at this, we have translation equals sliding. So our first transformation is translation. This is the mathematical word for sliding. The shape does not rotate, nor does it flip. It just moves up, down, left, or right. So let us translate triangle ABC. 4 units to the right, 3 units down. So you need to move 1 point at a time, and to never drag your whole entire shape with your brain. Like just move a single point for now. So let's start at point A. This is at 1, 1. So 0.11 right here. Let's see. 1, 1. Let me just I have to zoom this out. Sorry. So A is at 1, 1. Let's just be clear with that. A is 1, 1. This is their point. So it means that this is 1. So each of this is going to be 2. If I'm going to move 4 times to the right, I need to find my 5. So I need to find 5. So just plot this whole thing out. This will be 3. This will be 4. This will be 5. I have found my 5. So I need to move it to the right 4 times. That takes x to 5. So move it down 3 spaces. That it takes to -2. This is the same as well with the Cartesian plane where I have to map it out so all separately. Haven't drawn it out, but this should be fine. Okay. So where I'm going to mark the new dot, this is going to be A dash. So this has to be different for the original A. I'm going to mark this as 5 and -2 here. This is going to be my A. This will be my A, and I'll call it A dash. And that is my point because I am plotting like this, where I draw out these lines right here. That should be my A. So let's continue this. B is currently at 3, 1. 3, 1. As you can see right here, I forgot to plot out the 1. But this is 1, this is 0. This is going to be, I believe this is 3, this is 4. So this is 4, this is 2. Right here. So B is at 3, 1. I need to move right to 4, which means that I need to find x as 7. So let me draw 6 and 7. Why did I have to say that though? And then move down 3 to y minus 2. And I need to mark B dash at 7 minus 2. So I have to mark B here. I have to mark B here. This is going to be B dash. Okay. And then C is at 1, 4. 1, 4. C is 1, 4. C is 1, 4. B is at 3, 1. But I just need to find C now. So C, moving right, x is 5. Move down 3, x is y is 1. So this is actually our C. This looks a little bit weird. It's not the same shape though. So I need to recheck. This is the point where I'm a little bit confused because why is it looking like this for some reason? So this is a good opportunity to always do double checks. See like what's going on. I need to move down. Oh, it's actually 1. So y is 1. Sorry. So actually I moved some space here, so that was a little bit of miscalculation. This was -1. This is actually 1. So I need to plot that here. So this will be this will actually be C dash. There you go. So I just made a mistake there. I thought about how C dash was at -1, but that doesn't. But if we were to draw the shape out like this, it wouldn't look like the original shape. So of course I had to undo it. I'm not going to draw that. And so I'm going to connect the dots. Let's connect them. Connect them together very conveniently that I don't need a ruler for this. And there you go. I have connected all of them together and I have clearly slid through the entire triangle. Let's go. I just did that using translation. You have seen the entire process together with me by using going 4 units right, 3 units down. This is the whole full process. Again, let's do it for reflection and flipping. Okay, so our second transformation is reflection. This is going to be flipping the shape over the mirror line. There's going to be the Y line here. So let us reset. Let me just reflect our original ABC here for over the vertical Y-axis. This is the Y-axis is going to be our mirror. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of time to pause here so you can like look at how I did for this. And if you want to, I'll be deleting this in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. I'll delete this and I'll do the second one. I'll delete it now. So I don't need to plot anymore because I know where the points are at currently. So move 1 point at a time. Point A is 1 unit to the right of the mirror. So as you can see, 1. I'm plotting here, I'm plotting here. So this is 1 and 1. So I want to move, so its reflection should be 1 unit to the left of the mirror. So I need to move 1 unit left to the mirror. And this is 1 unit left to the mirror. This is -1. And I should have already found my A dash right here. So it's gonna be A dash. Let's find B. So let's look at B. Let's look at B. Hold up. B is 3 rights to the right of the mirror. This is the mirror. This is 2. This is 3, where B is at. So I need to go 3 units to the left of the mirror. So I need to go, this is -2. This is -3. So I need to go a little bit more here. So I'll find my B dash. So that's B dash. A little bit ugly, but it should be fine. And then mark C dash as well. This is like 1 unit, so I can draw 1 unit here. So this is C dash. And honestly, it wasn't as hard as like the last example because I just need to plot them like a mirror, basically. And I just need to connect the dots now. Connect the dots together. And voila, I should have my flipped horizontal triangle. And as you notice the coordinates, if you reflect over the y-axis, the y values stay the same because this is -1/4. This is 1/4. This is -3/1. But this is 3/1. So the y values stay the same, but the x values have become negative. Okay, and that should be the end of it. To end up for today's video for the habits, always remember x first, then y. X first, then y. When reading your coordinates, you want to be moving horizontal first and then vertically later. To avoid careless mistakes, of course, you just want to move 1 point at a time when doing any kind of transformation. Remember, it's very important. You want to simplify things, and slow and steady wins the game. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.